What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Yoda Slade Jr. here. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I just don't really have anything to upload about. Like, I don't hardly play Supercard or anything anymore, which is what I used to upload a lot about. I don't have the stuff to upload stuff from my Xbox. But I don't know if I'm done with YouTube or if I'm going to keep trying. If you guys have anything that I can play mobily, like on Apple, leave in the comments what you think I could do. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about me getting my first truck. My first truck that I've actually bought myself. And that would be this truck right here. If it'll focus. Okay, there we go. This is a 2006 Drive 45. It's got a 24 not perfect, obviously. I mean, the beds, rust, which is pretty typical on Dodge. It's got bed rust. Could use a tailgate, which tailgate isn't terrible, I guess. I mean, it's not very good, but the tailgate's not terrible. It opens. Tailgate's rough on the inside, but I think that's just from a four-wheeler, which once I get my four-wheeler running again, it'll look just like it. Now you don't want to shut it. Hold on. Why aren't you shutting it? That's pretty much, it's got, this side's pretty rough on it. Like I said, it's a 2500 I'll start it up for you. I'm not going to do anything like my dad did whenever he showed off his new truck. He did like donuts and stuff. I'm not doing that just because I don't really have anywhere to do it, and I'm not doing it in my yard. It's got 230,000 miles on it. For the sensor to go off to start it. Oh, it didn't even come on. Okay. It's got judges on it. It's got speed tuner. It's got 24x14 PSI wheels. I just bought some headlights for it, which were like $106. They're LED headlights. But that's pretty much my first truck. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to keep trying YouTube for now. I will eventually, but I don't know about right now just because I don't have the equipment to do it, but we'll see. Let me know what you think about the truck. Don't forget to subscribe. This is Yoda.